In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly edit images in Canva using the Magic Eraser tool. Canva is a fantastic, user-friendly tool that empowers you to design anything you need, from social media posts to presentations. Today, we're going to focus on one of its super useful features to remove unwanted objects from your images. So let's dive right in and get started on refining your creative work. First things first, you want to fire up Canva and head over to the document you intend to edit. Locate your design in the Canva dashboard, and once you're there, you should see your project laid out with all the elements ready for touch-ups or transformations. Now direct your attention to the image within your document that needs a bit of tweaking. Click on the image to ensure it's selected and ready for editing. You'll notice an option that says Edit. Give that a click. This will bring up a series of tools you can use for your image modifications, but today we're focusing on the Magic Eraser feature. Now that you've clicked Edit, you'll see the Magic Eraser tool prominently displayed. Go ahead and select Magic Eraser and then switch the brush option to Click. This is particularly handy because it simplifies the process, making your task quicker and more precise. The great thing about the Magic Eraser tool is that it allows you to remove unwanted areas of your photo, seamlessly blending the background to maintain a natural look. Having selected the Magic Eraser, it's time to direct your attention to the objects that you want to eliminate from your photo. This tool is incredibly intuitive. Simply click on the areas or objects you want to erase. You'll see the magic happening in real time as Canva works its wonders to remove unwanted details from your image. It's as easy as point and click. The objects will disappear, leaving you with a cleaner and more polished image. Once you've erased all the unnecessary objects, you can take a step back and give your revised image a good look. You might find there are other tweaks to make, or you might be satisfied with the clean result. When you're happy with how things look, remember to save your work. Canva does autosave, but it's always a good idea to double check and ensure your polished design is safe and sound. And there you have it, a streamlined process to edit your images using Canva's Magic Eraser tool, which can be a game changer for creating professional-looking visuals. Feel free to experiment with different designs and explore more features that Canva has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!